Welcome to another Simple Dad Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use a quiz sticker on Instagram stories. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video was helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. A quiz sticker is basically a sticker which allows you to ask a question to your followers and you can provide them with answers. This sticker will get you some great engagement on your Instagram stories if you ask some interesting questions. So let me show you how to do this. Open up your Instagram app on your phone. Now tap on the plus sign at the bottom and then swipe to stories. This will then take you into your camera mode. Go ahead and take a photo, or you can basically just color the whole screen to one color. Next, tap on sticker icon at the top, search for quiz or look for quiz, tap on it. Once you tap quiz, you'll see the sticker on your Instagram story. Now here you can enter in your own custom question, or if you can't think of one, then tap on the dice at the center of the screen. This will automatically think of an interesting question for you. Next, enter in your options. So option 1 and option 2. If you want to enter in more options, you can do this by tapping below option 2, and you can add a maximum of 4 options. After entering the option, select an option which is the correct answer. You can select the letters to let Instagram know which is your correct answer. Once you're done, go ahead and post it on your Instagram story. And that is how to use the quiz sticker on Instagram stories. If this video gave you any value, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.